Hello and good day. You know, there is nothing worse that I have found than having a ball, such as this or this, that don't have enough air in them. And they can be found quite reasonably at all kinds of places, garage sales, secondhand stores, and even when new, and they're just, I don't know if you can, oh here, I'll bounce this. It just doesn't have it. So, here we have my regulation tire pump, and this little thing generally comes with most of them. It does. It's funny, as I look over here at the camera, I notice it is desperately seeking focus, and I think I'm going to put a stop to that. There. So, anyway. If you want to be a hit with your kids and everybody else, you got to know how to fill these things up. And firstly, and kind of grossly, you got to spit on this thing, or on your fingers, and then stick it on there to get it wet. And then there is this place that you can fill it. Inflate to 7 to 9 pounds. Excellent. So you take it, stick it in. Did not feel right. It really didn't. Oh well, let's see what happens. It does seem to be inflating. Somewhat. But it's still not there. And certainly, the gauge on the pump really not helpful. Alright, I'm going to turn that off, pull that out. Now listen to this. Oh yeah. That, I know you can't hear it, see it, but you can hear it. That is magical, serious bounce. Now this ball, this tennis ball looking thing, is of similar nature. It bounces, you know, not bad. But it could use some more air. And as the summer is not here, but it is coming, such balls, oh that went in nice, such balls are necessary. It usually doesn't take but a few seconds usually, I give, okay, I think we're there. I kind of push with my thumbs and see how this is feeling. Whew. Okay, this might have now a little more than it should. It actually doesn't look quite round anymore. Let me see if I stick this in. I'm just trying to see if I can let a little air out. Well, not really. Oh well. So, oh yeah, the basketball, you hear that, that is just lovely. So I think this is more of a novelty thing anyway. Note the size differential. Anyway, the main thing that you need is that. Usually comes with most pumps. This one has one on it, but I can't figure out how to get it off. But, and there's another thing. A lot of pumps in earlier days, they had these things that you would fold over and they would grab, and that was all fine and dandy, but they sucked. This one actually, both on the tire and on something like this, it actually screws right on, nice and tight, nice and snug, nice and secure, and life is good. So be the hero of all the kids in the neighborhood and the adults too, have a tire pump. They're not very expensive. This model, it works very well, and sometimes it's on sale at Canadian Tire, I think for less than 20 bucks. And then you too can fill most anything, be it balls or inner tubes or other things. Of course, bigger things take longer, but it certainly is better than trying to blow them up manually, or even use one of those sort of tire bicycle pumpy things. So, I am not going to go play basketball now, but perhaps later on this weekend, it is possible. So, thank you for being here. Until we meet again, bye for now.